Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will be telling about how to fix lags and hanging issues. 120 hertz how to fix in this Motorola smartphone. So friends, if you are having these lags issue and hanging issues, first you have to open your settings and click on search. Right here, refresh display refresh rate, and you have to click on this 60 hertz. So you have to tap on here, so you can see a reliable experience with the lowest battery consumption, 60 hertz. If you have chosen this, it will consume more battery, so you have to choose this one. Then you have to press back, and then you have to see if your storage is full. You have to release some of your storage. Like if you have storage full, you have to uninstall unwanted and unuseful files, images, documents, and delete them. Then you have to just simply restart your device. It will be fixed. If it is not, then you have to just do a software update. If you have any software update or application update, you have to do it all, so it will fix your hanging issues and your mobile will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.